Ah! Sorry. Salut tout le monde. Joker's Magnet. We're here at the boat ramp in Laprairie. It's a small city on the south shore of Montreal. So aujourd'hui on va être à La Plaine, un petit quai de débarquement pour les pêcheurs. So it's for fishing. As you can see, there's room for me, and I got this little duck right over there also. So sorry if there's a lot of wind tonight, because yes, we're tonight, and I hope to find something because it's a brand new dock. So I hope they let things go in the water. So let's toss it. Okay, guys. Is there anyone who dropped something? Nope. It's not that deep, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna find a lot of things, but we never know. Let's see. No, nothing for now, so let's do a toss. Woohoo! I've got a little something, but I think it's yeah, some un big note, nothing, un gros rien. So first find of the day, I've got a nut. Do I have something? No. Only got algae again. Some seaweeds. Woohoo! I think it's gonna be a bust for this place. I just hope not. We never know. Just found some money. That's a weird one. It doesn't come from Canada. No, it comes from Canada, but I think it's a special order or something. From 2002. Okay, cool. Got ourselves a Sleeman Silver Creek cap bottle. Un bouchon de bière Sleeman Silver Creek. Nice. So, bottle cap challenge. I'll say Corona. Oh, Corona Extra. Woohoo! I found a nail. 10 rocks. Trouver un beau petit clou. Et de la roche magnétique. Allez, va nager dans l'eau. Yeah, so finally this place is it's not that giving, so I only have this spot to go and maybe a bit of this place. Let's see what we can get. Oh no, oh yeah, finally got something interesting. J'ai trouvé quelque chose de le fun. So, this thing, I don't know what it is, but I got myself some cutters. Some little cutters. That's cool. First big find today. I knew that on the edge of the boat ramp I could find something. Parce que souvent les gens avec les bateaux vont venir puis ils vont dropper des outils proche des descentes de bateaux. Je suis content que j'ai trouvé un petit quelque chose. I'm happy. At least I'm not I'm not here for nothing. Laprairie Magnet Man. Does a beer cap counts as the circle gang? Because it's round. It's a circle. Let me know in the comments. Oh, just like I said. I've got an Allen key and a screwdriver from Mastercraft. Nice. Oh, I've got money. Money, money, money. J'ai de l'argent. Ouais. 25 sous, 25 cents. A 10 cent. A little 10 cent. On my last throw, I found that superb pipe wrench. J'ai trouvé un wrench à tuyau. Super. My camera a lâché. My camera just didn't want to record. So, hey, sometimes it happens. Des choses qui arrivent. I think I found another. Ah, it's a nail. I thought it was je pensais que c'était un autre Allen key. And let's see what we have. It's a Cronenbourg 1664. Bottle cap and a lot of rocks. Oh, I got a little pipe. Oh no, it's a drill bit? What is that? Oh, I think it's a roller from a boat, from someone's boat, un rouleau pour les transports de bateaux. And j'ai aussi un clou. Ah, j'ai quelques clous. Non, juste un. Ah, deux. That's it. Hey, circle gang. Yeah. Small washer. Un petit washer. Nail. Another nail. And some rocks. The cracks are filthy. Yeah. We quelques petites choses. Ça, c'est comme une boucle. It's like a buckle for a strap or something. Again, I found some money. I think this is a 5 cent. Yeah, it's a 5 cent. Oh, I got a piece of rebar. I found two little, I think it's a screw, a self-tapping screw. Une vis auto-perçante. Beaucoup de roches. Petite braquette. Et mon kart qui s'en va au vent. Ah, yeah! Again! Circle gang! Oh yeah! La gang des cercles! By the way, si vous voulez vous acheter de la marchandise avec le logo de Joker, if you want some merch with the Joker's magnet logo, I will post you a link. It's on Etsy. C'est sur Etsy. Cool, another nail. Oh, and some rebar. A little piece of rebar. Another washer. Please. help my channel. It's you got choices. You can buy from Kratos, Root Magnetics, Magnetar. Use the discount code Joker. Go on for the fourth, pour le quatrième, sur gothrider.com, use discount code JOKERRD. And the last and not least, my merch. Whoa, yeah! Super cadre. I think it's something for boats. And this is a clamp to, I think for comment, an attache, something to attach. I don't know. Oh, and I found a toonie. Oh yeah! More dollars for me. More money. Money, money, money. Kratos power. What did I just say? Kratos power. What is that? Oh, it's a credit card. There's a credit card in the water. Ah. Ah. So, tangerine card, credit card. So a little bracket with a rock caught in it. Bracket avec une roche pris dedans. Beaucoup de roches, a lot of rocks. That's it. Let's roll again. That's it. Large plate. Oh, a little spring. Little spring. Boing boing. Un petit ressort. Found a nail clipper. Un coupon. Okay, I've got some. I've got one bolt, a paper clip, and trombone. So that will conclude our magnet fishing day at the Laprairie pier, or it's a small boat ramp. So if you want some merch, this is one of the example I have. It's a trucker's hat, Joker's magnet. You have black and white, black and black. We'll let you go see. So if anyone needs some merch, don't forget, I will put the description below. Donc si vous voulez de la marchandise, ça c'est une casquette trucker de Joker's magnet. Donc, the community of magnet fishing is awesome. There's too many people that I would like to meet, like Grandma Kelly, Clayton from Rusty Magnets with the Jen Show, Brad from Fat Magnet Guy, Jason from Squatch, and my padre, he's older than me, Jose from Tampa Bay Magnet Fishing. En parlant de José, si vous voulez vous souscrire à son channel, il y a un giveaway pour ses 3000 abonnés. If you want to subscribe to Jose from Tampa Bay Magnet Fishing, at 3,000 subscribers, he's gonna do a giveaway. I will put the link at the end of the video. You'll see it before the outro. And also, have some fun. Go outside and go do some magnet fishing to find some magnetic treasure. N'oubliez pas, allez dehors, amusez-vous, et surtout, allez trouver des trésors magnétiques. Bonne soirée tout le monde.